Curcumin enhances memory and temperament, new investigation says. The exploration, distributed online January 19 in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry, analyzed the impacts of an effortlessly retained curcumin supplement on memory execution in individuals without dementia, and in addition curcumin's potential effect on the minuscule plaques and tangles in the brains of individuals with Alzheimer's illness. Found in turmeric, curcumin has beforehand been appeared to have mitigating and cancer prevention agent properties in lab bonders. It likewise has been recommended as a conceivable reason that senior natives in India, where curcumin is a dietary staple, have a lower pervasiveness of Alzheimer's ailment and better psychological execution. Precisely how curcumin applies its belongings isn't sure, yet it might be because of its capacity to lessen cerebral inflammation, which has been connected to both Alzheimer's ailment and significant dejection, said Dr. Gary Small, executive of Geriatric Psychiatry at UCLA's Longevity Center and of the Geriatric Psychiatry Division at the Simrel Institute for Neuroscience and Human Behavior at UCLA, and the examination's first creator. The twofold visually impaired, fate treatment-controlled examination included 40 grown-ups between the ages of 50 and 90 years who had gentle memory dissensions. Members were arbitrarily allotted to get either a fate treatment or 90 mg of curcumin twice day by day for a year and a half. Each of the 40 subjects got institutionalized intellectual appraisals toward the beginning of the investigation and at half-year interims, and checking of curcumin levels in their blood toward the beginning of the examination and following year and a half. 30 of the volunteers experienced positron discharge tomography, or PET sweeps, to decide the levels of amyloid and tau in their brains toward the beginning of the examination and following year and a half. The general population who took curcumin experienced critical upgrades in their memory and consideration capacities, while the subjects who got fake treatment did not, Small said. In memory tests, the general population taking curcumin enhanced by 28% over the year and a half. Those taking curcumin likewise had mellow upgrades in mindset, and their cerebrum PET outputs indicated fundamentally less amyloid and tau motions in the amygdala and hypothalamus than the individuals who took fake treatments. The amygdala and hypothalamus are areas of the mind that control a few memory and enthusiastic capacities. 4 individuals taking curcumin, and 2 taking fake treatments, experienced mellow symptoms, for example, stomach torment and sickness. The analysts intend to lead a subsequent report with a bigger number of individuals. That review will incorporate a few people with mellow dejection so the researchers can investigate whether curcumin additionally has upper impacts. The bigger example likewise would enable them to investigate whether curcumin's memory improving impacts shift as per individuals' hereditary hazard for Alzheimer's, their age or the degree of their intellectual issues. These outcomes recommend that taking this generally safe type of curcumin could give important subjective advantages throughout the years, said Small, UCLA's Parlo Solomon professor on aging. The paper's creators, notwithstanding Small, are Prabha Siddharth, Dr. Zeping Lee, Karen Miller, Linda Urkuli, Natasha Emerson, Jacqueline Martinez, Kun Pong Wang, Jiu, Dr. David Merrill, Dr. Stephen Chen, Suzanne Henning, Naji Chetshir Murthy, Sung Cheng Wang, Dr. David Heber and Jorge Barrio, all of UCLA. The examination was bolstered by the Amundsen Foundation, the Marshall and Margaret McComb Foundation, the McMahon Foundation, Bob and Marion Wilson, the Fran and Ray Stark Foundation Fund for Alzheimer's Disease Research, the U.S. Bureau of Energy and the National Institutes of Health. The Revalues Corporation given the curcumin and fake treatments to the trial, and additionally supports for lab testing and for Small's movement to display preparatory discoveries at the 2017 Alzheimer's Association International Conference.